Hello, everybody. Welcome to Beyond Boundaries with Lisa Richmond. I'm Lisa Richmond, and I wanted to come on here because it's full moon, Mercury retrograde, Jupiter, Leo. I'm not an astrologer, but wow, is the energy whacked? If that can be like an official word for today, Monday, the 29th of June, it would be whack. So, this is kind of like an extension of my last video. I really wanted to come on with some like better news or like breaking update. But I just got to say, guys, if you have the opportunity to reflect a little bit, sit back on things, and not make the asserted effort towards something today, I would highly advise that. Now, this can be a really beneficial energy for individuals to receive downloads, really come into yourself, rest, restore, replenish, say less, journal, kind of like sift through maybe the last 3 months of different things that have gone on, what is working, what's not working, and whether it's relationships, they're showing me like jobs, if you're kind of like rebooting something, or it's kind of like now's the time when you go through and you're doing a little inventory check. Now isn't the time to like go ahead with a bunch of things and have it the best representation of yourself. Now is time to take inventory and go through everything and seeing what works and what doesn't. Okay, so that's like more of a housekeeping kind of message. I actually had a session booked today to do energy work on a dear friend, and I had to be like, sorry, like I can't. I had this like spirit closes the curtains when I go into an energy field, and they're like, nope, you do not work here. And it's always like, I understand why. But it was for me to go in, I had to open a channel in order to receive, to do the energy work. And they're like, no, you're not opening any channels today, which was really interesting because like, there's some stuff going on with CERN. I don't know. I can't really talk on that too much, but energetically, sometimes, like anything else, there's certain periods of time when it's really great and beneficial to open up, to channel, and to like link in with timelines and do some like digging in the spirit world. And sometimes it's not. Sometimes, like when I talked on my last video, where there's like I could feel like this blanket come over, and it's like, oh, rest and retreat. I thought maybe Monday morning I could wake up and be like, oh, it's full moon, I can be expansive. And today was not that day. So, hey, this is not a fear stuff. And don't get all like, oh my God, I can't. Like, I have to make a decision by the end of the day. What if I can? Like, it's not that life shuts down. It's really prioritize your physical health, how you feel, and your intuition with things. If it's a no, honor it as a no, because if you decide to push through, it's not going to work out. I promise. Okay, so this is like a quick video to just let you know that on this full moon, and these kind of big energies right now, I know, because I don't want to go like super into it, but I know the guidance that I got this morning from my spirit guides, that it is not beneficial to go deep into the field, as I call it, open up to channel and receive, because there are some kind of funky wonky energies. So this is about like really embodying today, like get into your humanness, embody the physical aspect of your wholeness, and rest and do the things that bring your human body like joy and like pleasure. So like having a tub, going swimming, having a nap, like all the things to rest and restore, really beneficial. And then as the energies kind of open up and move forward a little bit in this week, we can kind of slowly get our feet back on the ground, slowly like kind of take the blanket off. But yeah, I just wanted to come in and just let you know that it might not be the best day to make some big decisions, and just to honor you, okay? And I bring this with so much love, and it's like honoring. It's honoring you, okay? Not fear, but like honoring you instead, okay? And again, like really doing the inventory is hugely beneficial for the next stage, for the next step. Because without doing that inventory and like really seeing what's not working, and it can be right down to like, they're saying like some of the fine-tuned details, like this system or this payment system or whatever isn't working, and I, instead of trying to go through the whole thing, I'm just going to cut my losses and start again. Like really like see what's holding you back in which capacity for whatever it is, and how can I just say, hey, I'm going to cut my losses on that one. That was attached to the old paradigm. I'm really doing something different. Okay, so this might be a really specific for somebody. They're really talking about that, about doing the inventory for your work, or if you're like launching your business, take a sec right now and really like go over the fine-tuned details of things before signing. Same with real estate. Just go through the fine-tuned details, ask all the questions, and don't rush anything. It doesn't matter what you're dealing with. If the decision you're making is like deep inside, I don't feel like this is a hell yeah, right? I don't feel like that. Then step back from it. I know that sometimes that's frustrating, or other people will be really disappointed, and trust me, I know that, and I hate disappointing people. But when it's a no, and you know that if you go ahead and do it, it's not going to be beneficial and you're going to end up paying the price, don't do it. Just say no. I have to put a pin in this, and we'll come back to it, but it's not 100% right yet. And I know a lot of people aren't used to hearing that either. And that's more of it. It's more like, I don't want to, all these people have done all this work for me, or like we've gone this far. And so I just want to finish it up. Let's just do it full send. Sure. I promise you it's going to come back, and there's going to have to be a rearrangement, or something's going to break, or like slow right down. And if it's not like a full yes, which I feel like almost unanimously, it's not. So just like hold off for 2 seconds. Okay. I am going to go have a nap, I think, because my energy is just like, I got pulled in pretty low today. So anyway, I'm sending you so much love. I really wanted to come on here because I feel like even if it's like 3 people that needed to hear that, take a second before you act. Trust me on this one, okay? All right, I'm sending you love, and I hope to come back later on this week and be like, whoo, now what was that about? Let's shake it off, but we'll see, okay? No expectations. All right, everyone, I'm sending you so much love. Take care of yourself, okay? Happy full moon. Bye-bye.